Today, I'm going to build this mini art sheep. As the max, you could maximum building 15 sheep with the kit in 5 different postures. Each individual is divided into 3 parts: left half, right half, and the cheek. The design is simple enough, but the parts do not fit well. You could see gaps on the belly, on its back, and on the forehead. Basically, anywhere parts connect to each other. So you need to do some putty to fill the gaps. Sand them fine before painting them. Although I'm not an expert on figures and small creatures, I think sharing the kit check and source of building them might mean something. I didn't follow the color recommendation on the box. I have this Valleyhood old wood in mind. Add a few drops of airbrush thinner to the paint so that it goes smoothly on the uneven surface. Mixing old wood and deck tan to do the highlight and the fur texture. I don't want every sheep to look the same, so I try different types of them, using the cover image as the reference. a simple brown wash to make them more dynamic. And before putting them in the diorama, I will apply more weathering effects according to the environment. Voila, that's it! How do you think of the kit and the process? Leave your comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, forward, or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.